I'm caught here. I had to come here at the bike trail from Nisbet Park and come in here and use the restroom. And I was checking the radar before I come here, and just we're in a tail end of the rain. It really don't look like it's gonna last long, but I had to use the restroom and it caught me. So it's raining right now. About 1:15. Let me look. Well, I think it is. Hold on. I think it's 1:15 in the morning. 1:11. 1:11. And as soon as this rain stops, I'm out of here. Yeah, I got light. That's it. I got light. Won't be the first time I've made it home at 2 o'clock in the morning. I can make it in, I've timed myself even from the house to here, or, you know, I've never timed myself from here to the house, but from the house to here I have anywhere from 42 to 43 minutes, 13 miles. Remember, there's hills, and especially on State Route 48, and but I make very good time. Like I said, 42 to 43 minutes, and most people will take them all day. But let's say if I leave here now, I'll be home just before 2. You can see it's trying to slack down a little bit. I was busy in the restroom and I heard it coming down. I don't know how long it's been coming down, but it's kind of moving quick on the radar. But I wish it end. Okay, I'm going to wait it out.